Hey there, Trailblazers. It's been a while since I've done a Tahoe Dreamin video, but we are very close, about 8 days away from the next Tahoe Dreamin 2025. Wanted to send this out for all the attendees. If you haven't registered yet, please do so right away. www.TahoeDreamin.com. You got about a week to do it. Anyways, for those attending, I want to show you how you can kind of build an agenda of sessions or workshops you would like to attend at Tahoe. And I do want to explain the difference and explain some important details around those. So a session, I think everybody's familiar with those. You know, we have 3 big session rooms. Somebody's up on stage talking, big slides, show presentation, talking on a specific subject. A workshop at Tahoe Dreamin is much smaller, where you actually have a maximally 12 people. So it's kind of like that small, intimate environment where you can get very hands-on learning something. You will need a laptop for the workshops if you do want to attend any of those. On this agenda builder that I'll show you, any of the sessions you can choose of, you just want to say, hey, that's the one I'm thinking I'm going to attend. End of the day, you don't have to attend that session. You can walk into any of the 3 rooms we have for our sessions. For the workshops, though, if you are looking to attend any of those workshops that I will show you, we do ask you to register beforehand, again, because we're only limited to 12 people in those rooms. I do want to stress on the workshops, please do not just click on each workshop just to kind of give a placeholder that you might want to do it. Please only sign up for a workshop if you truly want to attend the workshop. If you do sign up for a workshop and then you decide you don't want to do that, you're going to go to a session instead, please don't leave it open. Please go in and uncheck it. Again, we're limited to 12 people. So if you say you're going to go to a workshop and then don't attend, you could have possibly taken the seat from somebody else if they were waiting to attend, but it looked like it was full. So I'll stress this in the email that you're going to get with this information, but please, please only sign up for these workshops, which are amazing, if you will truly attend them, which I'd recommend attending a few of these workshops if you can. So you're going to get an email. You're going to go to this login. You're either going to probably see the agenda. It's going to either default to my agenda or the session registration. If you're here, here's a list of all of them. Do want to pop over to the Tahoe Dreamin website really quick. If you go to our sessions up here in the menu, you're going to see a list of all of our sessions with times. Closer to the conference, we are going to have a little whole calendar item everybody can look at. So that way, when you're on site, you could open up your calendar, see everything that's going on in that day. So please go here. If you haven't looked at all the sessions, go look again. What this is showing again is the same sessions, and it's going in order by time. And this is where you can choose which ones you want. But I do want to show a few things. So we have the filter right here. So if I change the filter, that's going to show you sessions. And those are, again, you can check it to build your agenda. You don't need to check. We're not going to be checking any doors. You can go to any session you'd like. You can filter by work keynotes. We got 3 keynotes. They're all going to be great. Hopefully the last one will be the best because that's the one I'm speaking in. But they all should be great. And if you want to filter by the keynotes. And then the last is workshop. And that's really the key of this video, is these, again, on those small 12-person in a room, very intimate. You will need a laptop again. You're going to get hands-on, learn something great. Here's the details. If you click it, you're going to see the information about this workshop. I would look in each of them because just like this one has here with bots, some of them are giving away nice little prizes or swag here. So this one, if you attend, you get a $50 Amazon gift card. An opportunity to win, sorry. But you also definitely get a t-shirt. Look through all of them because there's other ones that have some little prizes or swag in there too, if you're interested in any of that. So look through all these, see if you're interested. And again, if you are, please do try to sign up because we are limiting, because of the size of the rooms, to 12 people. You could still walk up on site and try to get in these. But if it's already room, because 12 people did register beforehand, we're going to have to say, unfortunately, we can't let you in. Because again, those rooms are limited to only 12 seats. Okay, so we can go here and maybe I want to go to this one and I want to go to that one. Or let me uncheck that one, just that one. Now, if you noticed, this one got grayed out. The reason is we're not letting you choose two within the same time frame. So I'm going to take this filter away and say show all. So say I had, I chose that session I want to go to. If you notice, oops, I can't sign up for the workshop or any of the other sessions. So there is that there. And thus again, stressing, only choose a session if you will be shown up. You don't want to take that seat from somebody else. So, hey, I'll check that, keep that one. Again, I want to filter by my workshops, see if there's any other ones here I want to do. And then here's the next day. Yeah, maybe I want to do, this one by Hubble. That's great. If boom, can't do this one because it goes till 10:30. This one starts at 10. So again, does not let you overlap times. Again, read through them all because like this one example, it does recommend, you don't have to, but it does recommend that you go to this one the day before where they're just going to talk about what's going to be, how to manage Salesforce complexity and all of that. And then the next day, it's going to be the really hands-on, as you can see, an hour and a half, really in-depth kind of training. So go through here, choose these. When you're done, and again, you can go to the sessions. Hey, these are the sessions I want to go to. These are the keynotes. I'm going to go to all the keynotes. When you're done, hit confirm. Make sure you hit that confirm. It's not going to save. Till then, now if you go to my agenda, you're going to see everything you built. And again, now the filter is a little different. It filters by dates. On this date, that's what I'm doing. Again, just a helping saver to choose the sessions if you want to build your agenda, not required. Sign up for the workshops specifically is, and again, more detailed in that email. And then you can go to each one of these you could do and you hit add to calendar. Or if you choose a bunch here, you can go choose add to calendar. So it give you a file. You can put in any of these systems you choose and then kind of build your calendar if you'd like. Again, we're going to have a mobile capable webpage to show you a calendar each day of all the sessions as well. So that is coming. But want to stress here again, this really is about those workshops. And if you want to know more about them, you can do filter by workshop, read through each one, especially if you want to see those things like possibly winning a $50 Amazon gift card. Others have some items in there too. And then sign up if you'd like, knowing again, you can't overlap on time and really stressing over and over. I know I've said it a ton of times so far. Please only sign up if you truly will be attending during that time, because if it gets full 12 and then you're one of the 12 and then don't show up, might have taken a seat from somebody else. Don't want to do any of that. Okay. And that's the quick video here. Looking forward to seeing everyone in just a little over a week. Take care.